I was going the right way.
Berg.
Clumsy.
She knows that she drives him crazy when she's looking like that.
I'm Burak, by the way.
Haya.
So bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we
This is gonna keep me up all night.
Yeah, well, more time to think about me then.
With an upset stomach?
With a happy and content heart.
I believe in you.
I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's when all is said and done.
I'm gonna call it Pookie.
You're the one who's not listening. I want to tell you something. I'm telling you it can work out.
You're not
even
listening. Wait, listen to me. Look at me. Look at me. You don't even understand that you and I deserve better than just you and I.
Maybe in another life we could have worked it out, but we got too close to the sun. Maybe in another